Hello guys, as you read in the article, the Excel workbooks are just a bunch of XML files packaged up in our archive. And today we will be showing you how to run it through Flexter. First thing, you open the file. Now we save it as an XLSX file. Close it. Now we change the extension to zip. Now we can run it through Flexter. We agree to terms of use. We move the zip file. Click continue, and we will be using the Office Open XML schema strict. You can find that on OOXML website, and we click continue. We will be getting an email where we can see our data. You can see in the email the AR diagram of the file. Thank you guys, bye.